The cute little lamb. Listen and practice. There was a little lamb. His mother had gone for grazing. He was alone at home. He peeped outside. The sky was clear and breezy. Everything looked nice. He wanted to go out and play in the open. He thought about his mother's warning which she gave before she left home. She had told him, "Do not go out alone, as you are small. There is the cunning fox, the fierce tiger, the wicked jackal, and the leopard. They will kill you, or you may also get lost in the way. I will be careful. I will run away if the animals come," he said to himself, and came out of the house. He played in the open. He jumped and he danced, and ate some leaves and fruits on the ground. He mewed very happily. Then came the cunning fox. The little lamb panicked. He hid behind a tree. He got frightened. He started running in the bushy area. His skin got scratched due to the thorns in the bushes. After he had run for a far-away distance, he relaxed. He found that there was no fox. The little lamb wanted to come back home, but he could not find his way to home. He had lost his way. He started crying. When his mother came home, she could not find the little lamb at home. She started looking for him. She found him in the bushes crying. She brought him home and put medicine on his skin and said, "My dear, I asked you not to go alone as you are too small." The little lamb said, "Yes, mother, now I know this, and I promise I will always obey you. Always obey your elders." Like and subscribe our page if you like these stories.